Okay.
siya. And swarmy.
Very nice.
Summer. Nice. Naglawod na po ka. Today is another day of a long journey from Finland to Sweden to Norway. So this time is a different route. This time from Helsinki to Vasa. And then in Vasa there's a port. We will take the ferry in Vasa and it will go directly to Sweden, Omea. And shout out to our staff. Ganyan kapuno yung aming gamit. Yan. It's another experience. See you in Vasa. Yan, madadaanan natin yan. Welcome to Vasa.
Welcome to Vasa. Today, swarming Vasa. Instead of 3 to 4 hours drive, we took 5 hours enjoying the scenery of Vasa.
Shout out to Tissue. So, ito yung aming back seat. So, punong-puno ng gamit. Yeah, ito yung aming hotel.
Welcome to my alma mater, Lyceum of Vasa.
Here, Vasa line. Car check-in. Let's go inside na. Let's fall in line. Let's bring the car. Vasa line. Ayan. Pindutin natin yung code. Ready na, no? Ang ticket. Yeah, it's ready kasi meron na tayong code. That is open.
Kitos.
Yeah, kitos. Ganun lang. So in the instruction, there is lane 5. So we follow this lane 5. Yan lang siya. So it's our first time here in Vasa line.
Our first time.
First time. This is another route.
The last time.
Another route directly to Sweden. Para hindi na tayo pupunta ng Oulu. Yan. Ang bilis. Kasi nakita na nila yung aming car number and then it shows in the code and in the screen. So dire-diretso na tayo. That's how easy. And of course, we're traveling to other country. Kahit malapit lang yun siya. So we need a passport. Ang passport checking. We're not alone. There's lots of cars. Back to back. Ayun. We're getting inside na. This is the cruise. Oh, it's big. Para din siya yung sa Helsinki. Ayan, daming cars. Pasok na kami. Let's go. Let's go. This is their cabins. Yeah, nag-enjoy siya. Oh, tour. Go out. Nice. Asya des.
Okay.
Swarmy.
Very nice.
Summer. Chat. Sama na, smile ka lagi. Tara, tara. Libutin natin ang Wasalan. Restaurants. Ayan. Last star sa dira. Rest ta. At the view. Sa dagat na naman tayo. And of course, they have shopping mall. Yan. Let's find something here. I just want magnet. Yan. Hanap ka perfume. Yan. Nice. Ang ganda ng sun. Hanap ka ng cruise. Okay. Ito na lang tayo. Oh. Take this one. So, we need this. Yeah. Ganyan. Lagi kayong bumili ng magnet. Remembrance. Yeah. So, this is what we got. Ayan. Hi. Hello. Hi. Up here. So cute. For kids. Ayan. They have mascot. Friend na mo? Friend na mo? Yan yung mga cars. Soroy sa ta? Aray. Sundays. Dito tayo. Kahit saan ka na umabot ka, ha? Nice. So, in a few minutes, bababa na tayo sa car. Yan. Kaon ba siya? Update na tayo. Titik-titik. Oh. Naglawod na po ka. This is Wasalan. Exit na kami. Welcome to Sweden.
Wasalan.
Wasalan. Thank you, Wasalan. And welcome to Umeå. How do you pronounce it? We left Finland around 14:30 in the afternoon and we came here around 7:30 in the afternoon. But actually it's 6:44 in Finland. So 1 hour backward. Yes, dito ka na naman. So what's the next plan? Thank you for the nice experience, Babush. Umeå. Välkommen. I don't know how to pronounce that. So this is the port in Sweden from Vasa to Umeå terminal. It took us about 3 hours, but if you will count it from Finland, it's 4 hours. Okay, let's check the map. So we came from here, Helsinki. Let's say Helsinki, Finland. So because last time we went all the way here and then to Norway, but this time it's more easier. Helsinki to Vasa here, Vasa port, and then we took the ferry. There's the Vasa. And it took us about 5 hours chill drive, and we will also find or take another route because we passed by here before para trail. Yan. Ganon. So, part 2.